Hello and thank you for watching this video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add scripts to your web pages. The first script I'm going to add to my About page is one that shows the date using a scripting language for the web called JavaScript. This is that first script right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code, okay? It says here begin code for today's date and then end code. I'm going to copy that block of code, and then I'm going to go into my About page, okay? My About page, and I am going to paste in the script exactly where I want it to appear, and that happens to be in an aside tag, which you'll be learning about with HTML5, right above my picture here. You can see this image here. So when I paste in this code here, and I'm just going to indent it a little bit to make it look a little better. There it is. And if I save my code and I push it up to the CTEC server, and then I go into my web browser, I should see, when I refresh this page, a date right here above this image and this quote. So let me right-click and reload the page, and there it is. You can see now that I have the date November 14th, 2013. That's the date I recorded this. And when anyone visits this page, right, they're going to see the date that their computer currently sees, okay? That script is running inside the browser on a person's PC, okay? So that's just a small script, again, to show you how we can add a dynamic date script to your web page. The second thing I'm going to show you, and I'm going to go back to my page here with the scripts, is this one right here. It says begin Facebook like code and end Facebook like code. It's enclosed right by these comments, these HTML comments, which you all know by now, okay? And I'm just going to copy the entire block from start to end. I'm going to keep the comments there because they're important. And I'm going to copy this block of code, and I am going to put it, where am I going to put it? I think I'm going to put it right at the end of my content div, okay? At the end of my content div here, and I'll go here, and I'll paste the code in, okay? There it is there. The formatting got a little messed up, and that typically happens when you paste code in. So the code is all even now. I'm just going to push it in a little more. Neatness counts. Clean up some extra spaces there, and there it is. So I am going to save this code, and just note before I push it up, here's a div with an ID of Facebook root. It's a blank div. It's a placeholder that this JavaScript here that Facebook wrote for me, right, that you can get from Facebook.com, it created the script for me, and then it also gave me this stuff right here, this div here, okay, with a whole bunch of attributes and values, right? Some attribute and values that we haven't seen before, like data-href, right, or data action. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to push it back up to the CTEC server, going to flip back to my browser, and now I'm going to refresh the page, right? Reload the page. Reload. And look what I have here. I have a like button, and I obviously like Clark College's web page. That's what I've neglected to tell you, that this is a like button and share button for Clark College. In fact, it shows me what other friends of mine happen to like this particular page, okay? So Facebook.com offers this particular script. Now you're asking yourself, hey video guy, where do I get other scripts? Well, the first place that I go is a site called javascript.com. javascript.com, and say I want to add a calendar, right, to my web page. I type in calendar, I hit search, and you'll see there's a whole bunch of scripts written by others that you can add to your web page, just like I did before. Here's the script, and they tell you, how to copy and paste the code in. All right? So that's it for adding scripts to web pages. Again, showed you how to add a date, and I showed you how to add a series of Facebook like options to your page. Okay? Have a great day.